A lot of friends, lots of people. This course is coming to an end, so the lessons are easier and easier. You will love this one because there is no difficulty in this topic. You are free to use a lot of and lots of with both countable and uncountable words. The only thing you have to be careful with is the agreement. If you say, a lot of friends came to our wedding, or lots of friends came to our wedding, the word friend is countable. So don't forget the S at the end of it. Because a lot of and lots of always mean more than one. So when you use them with a countable word, it needs the plural form of that word. Let's see some examples. If you say, let's do this business together and make lots of money. Money is uncountable. We never use it with an S at the end. So that's it. Feel free to use it with lots of, just as with a lot of. Like this. Properties in England cost a lot of money. And there's another big friend of lots of and a lot of, which is plenty of, exactly. The absolute same usage. Susan has plenty of ideas about the marketing, and she also invested plenty of money in it. This was easy peasy, funny and fast, wasn't it? Test your understanding on this topic. Thanks for watching and see you with the next episode.